What if I told you the real reason you feel tired so quickly has nothing to do with age? What if the problem isn't performance, but energy, blood flow, and stamina? And what if a simple Thai-style natural drink could help you last longer, feel stronger, and stay confident for hours without feeling drained? Listen carefully, because this is not magic. It's about circulation, hormones, and endurance. In Thailand, traditional wellness focuses heavily on natural roots, herbs, and warming ingredients that boost blood flow and reduce fatigue. The goal isn't just performance. The goal is sustained energy, because real stamina doesn't come from quick fixes. It comes from nourishing your body at the cellular level. The first key ingredient is fresh ginger. Ginger improves circulation and helps oxygen move more efficiently through your body. Better oxygen flow means stronger endurance and less early fatigue. When your muscles, and yes, every muscle, receive better blood supply, performance naturally improves. Second is raw honey, not processed sugar. Real honey. It provides a steady release of energy instead of a sudden spike and crash. That stable energy is what keeps you going without feeling weak afterward. The third ingredient is garlic. Now I know garlic doesn't sound romantic, but it's powerful. Garlic helps widen blood vessels and supports heart health. When blood flows freely, stamina increases. Many traditional cultures have used garlic for centuries for vitality and strength. Next comes cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels. When blood sugar is stable, energy remains consistent. No sudden drops, no weakness, just smooth endurance. And finally, lemon juice. Lemon helps detoxify and improves nutrient absorption. It supports overall circulation and refreshes the body. Here's how the simple Thai-style vitality drink is made. Warm 1 cup of water, not boiling, just warm. Add half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Crush 1 small clove of garlic and let it sit for 5 minutes before adding. This activates its beneficial compounds. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, a small pinch of cinnamon, and a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Stir it well and drink it 30 minutes before bedtime. But listen carefully. This is not about drinking it once and expecting miracles. Consistency is everything. Use it 3 to 4 times a week. Your body needs time to improve circulation and energy production. Now let's talk about something even more important. No drink in the world can fix poor lifestyle habits. If you sleep only 5 hours, eat processed food daily, never move your body, and live in constant stress, stamina will always suffer. Thai wellness culture also emphasizes movement. Light stretching, deep breathing, slow squats. These increase testosterone naturally and improve endurance. Even 15 minutes daily can make a difference. Hydration is another secret. Dehydration reduces blood volume, which directly affects stamina. Drink enough water throughout the day. Your performance depends on it. And here's something most people ignore: mental pressure. Anxiety is one of the biggest stamina killers. When the mind is stressed, the body tightens. Blood flow decreases. Confidence drops. Practice slow breathing before intimate moments. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4. Exhale for 6. This simple trick calms your nervous system and improves control. Now imagine this. Instead of feeling worried, instead of feeling tired, you feel steady, confident, in control, energy flowing naturally. No crash, no embarrassment. Just strength and connection. That's what natural stamina really means. Remember, this is not about being superhuman. It's about supporting your heart, your hormones, and your circulation the natural way. If you have any medical conditions or take medication, always consult a healthcare professional before trying herbal remedies. Your safety comes first. But if your fatigue is simply due to low energy, poor circulation, or stress, this simple Thai-inspired recipe, combined with better sleep, hydration, and light exercise, can slowly transform your endurance. 3 hours doesn't start in the bedroom. It starts in the kitchen. It starts in your habits. It starts in your discipline. Take care of your body, and your body will take care of you.